Southwestern California, Orange County, Riverside County, San Bernardino County, San Diego County, and the coastal waters from San Mateo Point to the Mexican border and out 60 nautical miles, including San Clemente Island. A test signal was broadcast to test the public warning system. The test is normally conducted between 10 a.m. and noon each Wednesday, weather permitting. The signal was also used to test the activation and emergency readiness of the Skywar network of radio operators. Now for the official national weather.
Okay, that was quite weird. None of these weather radios, not many weather radios have activated for this test.
Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 44 to 50. Light winds.
Anyway,
Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning.
see if anyone else decides to go off.
Highs in the lower 70s.
Yeah, not many weather radios have activated for the test.
Official National Weather Service forecast for San Diego County desert today. Mostly sunny.
Yeah.
Highs in the lower 70s. Light winds. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows 44 to
Especially this one. This one doesn't go off for the test.
wind. Thursday, mostly sunny in the morning. Becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the lower 70s. Light winds. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for San Gorgonio Pass near Banning today. Mostly sunny. High 67 to 72. Light winds.
Strange.
Tonight,
But anyway,
clear.
at least the WX67 activated.
Light winds.
And it went off for a proper
Thursday,
event.
partly cloudy.
But yeah, that's pretty much it.